If you're overwhelmed by productivity apps, you are not alone. Taskade, ClickUp, and Notion are all powerful, but which one actually helps you get things done? Stick around until the end so you know which tool is best for fast teamwork, advanced task control, or all-in-one workspace building. And let's begin with a platform overview of Taskade. So Taskade is launched in 2017 in the US and is a lightweight and real-time application ideal for fast-moving teams. ClickUp is launched in 2017 in the US and is a task-focused and highly customizable app built for managing complex projects. Notion is launched in the US in 2016 and it combines documents, databases, and wikis for full workspace control. And now let's take a look at the pricing and the costs. So all three offer free plans, and Taskade is starting at around $10 per month, ClickUp is starting at $7 per month, and then Notion is starting at around $10 per month as well for the paid tiers. And what is inside of these tiers? Well, the most important thing that stands out between the plans is the amount of unlimited AI agents and the capabilities you have with your plan. So when you're on the free plan, you're of course really limited, but it is a great way to get started. So it is nice that these three apps are all offering this free plan so that you can get started with all of these three without any risk. So the pay plans is in the unlimited features, as I already told you. For example, at Notion, you will get unlimited collaborative blocks, unlimited file uploads, and unlimited charts. And then at this plan, it is already called the unlimited plan. And this will give you unlimited storage, integrations, dashboards, and on and on. And this is the same for Taskade. And with Taskade, you will have the unlimited AI agents and unlimited AI knowledge, which is something you do not have at ClickUp or Notion. So now let's take a look at some features and tools. And I would say that Taskade is about speed, lists, mind maps, and meetings in one place. And ClickUp focuses more on structure, task statuses, timelines, automations, and sprints. On the other hand, Notion is modular. It combines content, data, and logic however you like. And let's make a final verdict based on these three. And I would say use Notion if you want a flexible document-style workspace, and choose ClickUp for a structured task management, and go with Taskade for quick collaborations. And let me know in the comments down below what you think of these three and which of these three you're planning on using. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.